Yeah guys, good evening. Welcome back to our next video. This evening what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some banana juice guys. Guys, I be a badness. So I'm going over here up on the table. Yes, my banana, my milk, my supplement and my guineas. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'm gonna peel up my banana them and I'm gonna see what I go on. Soon come back guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so this is my banana. You understand what I did? Pour in the blender guys, I be a badness. Be a badness guy, be a badness. Guys, I'm gonna peel some more banana, put in the blender. Some bad banana juice. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness, I soon come back. Yeah guys, so peel up some more ripe banana. You understand what I mean? Guys, be a badness. The banana juice are bad. Remember me tell you. Guys, I tell you, when I want good juice and good food, I come in a Nicholas kitchen. You understand what I mean? Yeah. Be a badness guys, believe that. Yeah guys, so put in the rest of banana. You understand what I did? Put in the supplement and the guineas. And put in some mixed spice. You understand what I did? So I'm gonna do now guys. I'm gonna pour in some sweet milk. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour in the milk now guys. Guys, I'll be a badness over here, so believe that. Banana juice guys. Guys, I'm gonna blend him up and I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah guys, so everything in our blender you know, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend him up, I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Anytime I come in and look at that kitchen, be a badness, be a badness, be a badness, be a badness. Guys, and please remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell as I video drop it happen. Guys, be a badness tonight. Banana juice, guys. Guys, look what I'm going over here. See that? Yeah guys, so I go on in a blender, banana juice, this I go pour in a basin. I can see what I go on. Guys, just stay tuned and watch what I go on in our kitchen. Oh guys, it's real thick. I understand what I did, so I'm not going to do now. I go wash out the blender with a small amount of water and I can see what I go on. I'm not going to put too much water, you understand what I did? Guys, look for my banana juice. Guys, it's bad. Soon come back. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing up guys. Be a badness. Banana juice guys, bad, believe that. Guys, look what I go on in the base. Yeah guys, the banana juice that you understand what I did. Yeah. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a banana juice, guys. Homemade banana juice, guys. It's bad. Believe that. See you in our next video, guys. I'm out.